How to install Samsung Find on your Samsung phone. So here you can see in my menu I have some Find My Mobile but not Samsung Find. So if you want to use Samsung Find, you have to install it. To do that, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, look for the Galaxy Store. Now you cannot install from the Play Store. It is available only in the Galaxy Store, so tap on that. Then in here, in the search text box, so tap on the search icon and type in Samsung Find. Then tap on the download button. After that, you can tap on the install button. So just wait for that to finish. Once it is downloaded, it will go ahead and automatically install on your device. After that, you can tap on the open button right here to open up Samsung Find. Now it is also available from your settings menu. So go to your account profile, and if you scroll down, you will be able to find Samsung Find in here. And that's it. Now you can tap on the continue button to use features such as find lost devices or share your location. Thank you for watching.